What is up guys, welcome back to our channel. It's time for another product review and unboxing video. Today we have the Dangbei Mars 1080p laser projector. This projector promises an immersive cinematic and gaming experience, and I can't wait to test what it has to offer. So here I have the package that just arrived, and let's jump straight into the unboxing. It looks like Dangbei has gone an extra step further with the packaging to ensure the projector arrives intact to your destination, which is always nice. Let's carefully take out the projector. Below it we find all the accessories. Of course we have a user guide, a support card with Dangbei's social media accounts, and a cleaning cloth. There's also a PTZ washer if you're going to use a PTZ mount. Next, there's the remote control. It takes two AAA batteries, which are not included. We got dedicated buttons for YouTube, Amazon and Netflix, and all the basic menu navigation buttons, volume controls, menu focus controls, and so on. There's the power cord and the power supply, which is rated at 180 watts. That's what we got in terms of accessories. And guys, here we have the Dangbei Mars projector itself. It's definitely among the best looking projectors I've reviewed. It has a modern minimalistic design and it's surprisingly compact. It's quite sturdy as well with aluminum main frame. You have a metal mesh covering the sides and the back of the projector, which also helps with the airflow and cooling. At the front, we find the glass panel which covers the lens, the optical avoidance sensor and a camera used for light detection. At the back, we find all the ports. We got of course the power in port, SPDIF ports, LAN ports, 2 HDMI and 2 USB ports, and the infrared sensor as well. As I mentioned, the projector is very compact and very lightweight at only 4.5 kg, so it's definitely portable. Last but not least, on the top we have this gorgeous 2.5D glass panel with the power button. On the bottom we find 4 adjustable rubber feet and a mounting point for ceiling or tripod mounting. Now that we've covered the design, let's talk about the specs and features of the Dangbei Mars projector. First and foremost, this is a 1080p LAPD laser projector. The peak brightness is at 2100 ISO lumens and we have a 30,000 hours lifespan. There's HDR10 and HOG support. The maximum projection size is 180 inches, although the optimal size is between 80 and 120 inches. There are some awesome quality of life features, like autofocus, auto keystone correction, intelligent screen feed, and intelligent obstacle avoidance. With those features, setting up and using the projector is just a breeze, and you know you have the best possible picture quality and setup 100% of the time. So once we fire up the projector, we are greeted by the simple and tidy home menu. The projector is running a Linux operating system and the navigation is easy and hassle-free. There's built-in support for Netflix. It also has Prime Video and YouTube built-in, which are nice to see. Within the pre-installed apps, performance is smooth and content there look great. There are abundance of options and settings that you can customize, including different picture modes. Of course, you can change and customize the brightness levels, contrast, saturation, hue, sharpness, gamma and color temperature. You also have a couple of audio settings that you can alter. The projector is equipped with two 10-watt speakers which actually offer a good sound quality with decent bass. Here we have the different image orientations based on the type of projection mounting, which is very convenient feature. I've set all the zoom focus and keystone correction to auto. The auto adjustment works great, so I didn't have to manually set all those parameters, which saved me a ton of time. Now moving on to the image quality. As I said, one of the standout features of this projector is its laser light source, which offers longer lifespan and consistent brightness compared to traditional lamps. It's rated for an impressive 30,000 hours of use. The Dangbei Mars projector offers vibrant and sharp image, and the colors are impressively accurate. The 1080p resolution really shines here. I'm also happy to report that this projector handles different light conditions very well. Even with some ambient light, the image remains bright and clear thanks to its high brightness rating of 2100 ISO lumens. The projector also offers really good experience in video games. In the game mode, we have 20 milliseconds response time, which makes the experience smooth, sharp and responsive. Colors on this projector are also quite vibrant and the color accuracy is on point. Whether you're watching a movie, gaming or browsing through your photos collection, you'll be treated with the vivid, lifelike colors. What truly sets the Dangbei Mars apart is its excellent contrast and black levels. Deep blacks and bright white tones create a dynamic and immersive visual experience. This projector has a high contrast ratio that brings out subtle details in every scene. I've also tested Fortnite on this projector, which is very dynamic and intense. And overall, the image quality was really good. Moreover, the laser light source delivers constant brightness throughout the projector's lifespan, ensuring that you enjoy the same high-quality visuals from the first day to the last. This is a notable benefit for those who value image quality over time. So guys, in conclusion, the Dangbei Mars 1080p laser projector is quite an impressive piece of tech that delivers on its promises. With its sharp image quality, smart features and user-friendly interface, it's an excellent choice for home entertainment enthusiasts. So, if you have any questions about this projector or want to see more similar reviews, please leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining us today, we'll catch you in the next video.